Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today I'll be making zobo. Yeah, I'll be making zobo. So I want to show you how it can be done. The zobo is very famous in Nigeria, and I came to notice that it's a very healthy drink. You know, it's a very healthy drink. So join me, let's make it together. So in my pot, as you can see, I put on the hibiscus flower already. I put orange. You see, I just wash it. That was just washing and getting it ready, and it's always also okay already. So I wash it. I cut my lemon bag, orange bag. Yeah, so that's me showing you where I got the bag from. So that is lemon. I cut all the back, I put it in there. So I put my ginger. Yeah, I put my ginger. I put my uda. I put my uziza. Yeah, I'm showing you the ginger that remain. So I put my uziza and I put my uda. So I have lemon bark, orange black, uziza, uda, and glove. I'm just putting glove. Yeah, so that glove wasn't enough, so I will open this one to get more quantity that I want. So after that, yeah, I was opening this thing. Yeah, you see me adding more glove. So because I needed that aroma, that healthy aroma on it. So I added more. I'll be adding my pineapple peel. Yeah, you see it. I wash and brush it very well before cutting it. So that is the pineapple there. I'll show you what I will do with it. So stay tuned and join me. You might learn one or two. Yeah. So remember, I put uziza, uda, ginger, glove, orange black back, and lemon back, and I'm now putting my pineapple peel. So all together, I'll be adding water. Water, because all we need is the water. So the water is all we need. So the water is all you need. So you'll be adding enough water. I just, talking, showing you what I'm doing. Enough water and bring it to cook. So I'll be adding enough water, like plenty of water. Yeah, you see me pouring that in. I was using big pots. I was using big pots. You see a lot of juice that I got from this. I was using almost a kilo leaf of hibiscus flower. That is the zobo leaf, and all these ingredients that I mentioned now. But if you want to see when I was washing the hibiscus flower, how I wash it, and I have it live. I was live doing that. Okay, so you can check one of my videos in live. I titled it Zobo the Magnificent Juice from Nigeria. Yeah, that's the title of that live. So you can check it out, guys. So I was still pouring more water, and I will cover it and bring it to cook. Sorry guys for the noise. There is people walking behind my house, so that's where the noise is coming from. And sometimes there will be passing of car and all that. So I'm so sorry where I am now. I couldn't do more, and I needed. I wanted to put in this video. So I needed to put in this video, so I was doing everything possible to make sure I make the video on. So I was covering with my phone to make everything hit very well. That is the idea, that I was like, let me cover it. I don't want even the smoke aside. Everything have to be cooked very well, like seriously very well. So that was why I was covering it with fur, and I now cover with my pot cover. So now I will only allow it to cook. So I came in my pineapple part. So I have to slice everything. You have to slice it in pieces and blend it. Like seriously blend it. We need the juice, so we have to filter it after blending. You will see me do that. Let's go. This is very healthy juice. No one can say no to. And after that, I have that sense of not pepper, not a kind of mint inside. It's the juice was like, wow. The mint that is inside a little bit is kind of harsh when you have that sweet. That's it you'll be hearing that a little bit in your throat. So that was that. I was happy I did that. So I was cutting my already cooked turnips, the red one. So I cut it into pieces and cutting my orange. Everything I'll be slicing it into pieces to the size that that your blender can deal with. So that was it. So that was it. I blend it, and this is it. Remember that is red tennis inside, so that was why. And it was nice. The red dish with the raisins of Zobo is blended, like it's wow. So I was also checking on our Zobo. You see how it was boiling. Yeah, it was really boiling. I was checking how it was going, and I was happy that I covered it, because once I open it, that's vapor. Yeah, the evaporation, it really means like, yeah, you did what. So everything meant that I will allow it to cook more for some minutes before I filter that, because all we need is that juice, that Zobo juice. So you cook before you filter. Yeah, I check it again. If you can notice, I check it again. So I was like having that. Yeah, I think it's done, because the water is becoming kind of a little more thicker. So it was nice. So I still cover it again to cook. After a while, I have to prepare my filter, because it cook almost kind of close to 1 hour. Yeah, I was just boiling it. So I prepare my filter, and I will be filtering it. So this is my Zobo. I like it cool down a little bit. when you can handle the hotness, and the color is intense. Yeah, the aroma is wonderful, seriously. um Remember, I already have the blended apple, pineapple, and all that. So I will be adding. I pour this in before filtering so that it will be easy for me to filter. So I pour this in the pot and turn it. Remember, after allowing it to cool off a little bit. Okay, so that is it. So this is my silver. It's coming up already. It's coming up already. The Zobo is very nice. You see the color is very reddish, and I was still filtering it the second time because I didn't want anything in my mouth while drinking it. But you can skip this part if you want that, free things. I don't know how to explain that, but for me, I make sure that there is nothing left inside. Yeah, I filtered it with another filter, another smaller filter. So that was what I was doing, using my spoon to take it bit by bit. So that was it. Wow, it was nice. After that, see, just look at that. It's not finished, oh. I still have more of the Zobo left, more bottles, more jar, Yeah, that is the Zobo. I was just gathering, putting everything here. Yeah, it's for family use. If it is the one you want to sell for markets, you can use the desired bottle. In home they pick all these gallons, for reuse. So they will now wash it and reuse it again to fill up all this and sell. So I was just making it for my family, so I put it in my jar. So it will stay overnight in the fridge so that everything will it's better serve this thing cold. Yeah, cold, at least a little bit chill. So guys, if you have watched me to this length, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up in this video, please. If you learn something or you want somebody to see something, you can help me share, spread the good news, guys. Okay, so that another person will see the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and bye.